one of my best projects was the Catapult. And I'm going to mention on my glows that this project embodied the STEAM concept altogether, the S, the T, the E, the A, and the M. All right. We can move on to the next slide. So the glows, they were very creative. They had unlimited possibilities to come up with. The student collaboration, like I said, they had more freedom. So I didn't put them in groups like sixth grade. I let them pick their groups, but they had a cutoff of no more than 3, because they were, you know, they tend to lean on each other a little more. Collaboration was great. We didn't have a lot of conflict resolutions as I thought we would have. As I said, that the projects embodied the STEAM concept altogether. The science into it, they had to explain that the technology that was used, engineering, as you saw in the Catapult, this kid actually built this with his hands, and the artwork, you know, a lot of the projects were very eye-catchy. And of course, the math, you know, they had to decide how far is the object going to go in the Catapult. And then also the workability of the games. There are very few games that we had to work out kinks as far as how they would work. The grows, again, lack of materials, time management, because 8th grade, we didn't spend time in school. They had to work on it on their own, or they had the option to bring it to school.
Oh, it muted.
Unmute. See if I can.
There we go.
All right, did y'all hear anything I said?
Just that last little piece, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Time management, the 8th graders, they were to work on it on their own time mostly. But they had the option to bring it to school and work on it in school. And one thing about the 8th graders, they were very secretive. So what I did mostly, I used the Defined Learning platform. So I created a Google Classroom and I gave them dates of when certain parts would be due. So I used the check-in questions that they had to do. They had to talk about the videos. They had to access the information from the Defined Learning platform and relate it to their actual project. So they had more time as far as using the Defined Learning platform, and how it links with the PBL itself was almost seamless.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.